Hello guys and welcome to 1V Tech. Today we're going to be going over a $900 PC build. This PC build is for someone who's looking to do some really heavy gaming, maybe some light live streaming or video recording. And to start off this build, we're going to go with an Intel Core i5 45070. It's a 3.2 GHz quad-core processor, and for only $200 with a mail-in rebate code, it's a really solid processor for the price, and it fits into our budget. And next, for our motherboard, we have a ASUS Z87 Pro ATX motherboard, which comes with 4 RAM slots and supports SLI in case if you ever wanted to upgrade in the future for more power. And it comes in at $106 if you use your mail-in rebate code. And for our RAM, we're gonna get 2 4GB sticks of G.Skill Ripjaws DDR3 RAM. 8GB of RAM is all you really need right now for gaming, but if you ever wanted to upgrade, our motherboard still allows us that. And for our hard drive, we're gonna grab a 1TB Western Digital Black 7200 RPM drive. They're really solid and have a really low fail rate. And now for what's gonna run our games, we're gonna get an MSI GeForce GTX 970. And these are great graphics cards. They'll run anything on the market at 1080p with high settings or better. Now, to house all of our PC parts, we're going to get a Corsair 200R mid-tower ATX case. And now for our power supply, we're going to get a Seasonic 550W 80 plus gold certified power supply. It's gold certified, which means that it won't burn down your house if you ever leave your computer on for like 24 hours. And our final product with mail-in rebates comes up to $910. It's a little bit over budget, but hey, what can you do? You know, sometimes these prices fluctuate and you could probably get it for under $900 on the right day. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like, go ahead and check out our other tech videos.